How to fix Cinema as the app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, open your App Store. Now search for the app Cinema HD. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, open your settings. Scroll down. Head towards the option of General. Now open this option iPhone Storage. Now scroll down. From here, find the app Cinema HD. Once you find it, open it. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If you still encounter this issue, you can apply solution 3. For that, you will need to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, long press on your Cinema SD app. Click on the option of Remove app. Click on Delete app. Click on Delete. Once you delete this app, launch your App Store, search for the app and install it. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Cinema as the app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.